Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 17. In this video I'll show you how to use AirDrop. To use AirDrop or any iPhone, including the iPhone 17, ensure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and both devices are discoverable. Now select content you would like to share. It can be photo, video, document, basically everything. Tap and hold on the file, tap share and select AirDrop. On your second smartphone, make sure that AirDrop is enabled and discoverable. Select the other device, and on the other device select accept. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.